Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I will be sharing with you how you can substitute food cravings with spices. It takes a tremendous amount of willpower to stand up to food cravings. However, one chef has found the answer in the form of smart eating choices that address specific cravings. Chef Judson Todd Allen lost 160 pounds simply by satisfying his yearning for particular foods with healthier alternatives. After spending 20 years gaining weight due to an addiction to sugary, fatty, and salty foods, he found his health in a downward spiral and his self-hatred sky high. It was the same love of food, however, that ultimately led him to find a great solution that could work for many people. We all know that carrots aren't going to cut it when ice cream is calling your name, but his method is far more specific than that. Spices are used to strategic effect in order to stave off cravings for unhealthy foods. For example, he turns to citrus and vinegar to address cravings for salt. The American diet has become so filled with sodium-laden processed foods that people's taste preferences have adapted to desire these foods strongly. Thankfully, research shows that once you've cut back on the sodium, you'll prefer foods that don't taste as salty over time. According to Chef Allen, the juice and zest of citrus fruits like oranges, limes, and lemons can awaken your taste buds, and their fresh acidic taste satisfies even the strongest urges to eat something salty. He also cites vinegar as an excellent choice for adding flavor to food and substituting for salt. In addition, research has shown that eating spicy foods like chili, paprika, chipotle, and cayenne will trick your brain into craving less salt. The highly addictive nature of sugar is fueling not only widespread global obesity, but also the diabetes epidemic. Once you give in to a sugar craving, you'll find yourself eating more and more. To address this, Chef Allen recommends adding cloves to your food. This warming spice has a sweet flavor, and it also regulates your blood sugar and soothes your stomach. Another good choice is the Middle Eastern and Indian staple fenugreek. Its seeds call to mind the flavor of maple syrup. It can be used in tea, yogurt, and spice blends. Spices can also be used to control your appetite in general. Cinnamon is a great starting point because it can work equally well in savory and sweet dishes. Just a quarter of a teaspoon can be enough to boost your metabolism, and it's easy to add it to your morning coffee or tea, soups, and sauces. In addition, black pepper and cayenne pepper boost the metabolism and burn fat by 25%. Cardamom and mustard are spices that support weight loss. Cardamom helps your body burn calories faster and boosts fat burning as well. This spice pairs perfectly with sweet baked goods and is also delicious in your coffee or tea. On the other hand, eating 1 teaspoon of pure mustard can boost the metabolism by up to 25% for several hours after eating. This condiment can also be a wonderful ingredient to add to soups and sauces. Time and time again, we are reminded of the power of a healthy diet. Eating healthy foods can reduce your risk of many of the diseases that are the biggest killers of our day. By arming yourself with the knowledge of how to address those inevitable food cravings without compromising your healthy eating plan, you'll be better positioned to lose weight and keep it off. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.